How are we doing, guys? You alright? Going for a quick walk. It was a shit picture. I'm on my phone. The camera's playing up. So, yeah, I'm on my phone. Just thinking for a quick walk in the woods and that, and where I am, where I'm stayed. I'm looking for twigs again. Branches, should I say. But yeah, taking for a quick walk, and I've been tagged into, do you like the Vanlife tag? I got tagged into once. This is a thing for like lockdown, and I got tagged off Carol. Buddy, come here. Carol, another camper van channel. That's what the channel's called. Another camper van channel. So if you, buddy, come here. So you want to check her out. Yorkshire lass, I think. Well, she's a Yorkshire lass, but I think she's from Leeds. Anyway, buddy, come here. So yeah. So, sorry about the camera work. Like I said, it's on the phone. Buddy, come here. But it's not too bad round here. It's pretty quiet. I think I was staying here for a bit. But yeah, it's alright, pretty quiet. Good. It's all good in the hood. Because I know I'll take you for a walk, right, but I'm not good. It's hard work with filming with the buddy on the lead as well. I'll just show you the area now. It's really nice. Alright, innit? Yeah, so this tag, it's about being in lockdown. So I've just got to think now. Well, I'm gonna answer the questions when we get back to the van. So I don't know how long this vlog's gonna be on for, but then I've got to tag 5 more people. But I'll have to tell you. I'll think of something when I'm walking. I'll think of people when I'm walking. So yeah, that's what we're doing later. So I'm just going for a quick walk. It's pretty quiet. That's how I like it. That's how I like it, buds. So yeah, didn't sleep proper last night again. Not know why. I don't know what. I think I was red hot. So I woke up sweaty about 3 o'clock. Yeah. You right, buds? So, catch you in a bit. gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. So, I think quite a few people come here though, because there's shit everywhere. But, go on, buddy. Come on, mate. I'll show you this, some of the branches I got today. They'll do for, I don't know. I just can't leave things. If I see them there on the floor, I just let them dry out a bit, and then, because like I said in other videos, all these are from what I've got off the floor, all things like that. What else is there? Is that going up there? Oh, there's a few bits and bats, I think. Some down there. Yeah, so let's crack on with this tag. Right then, let's go on with this quarantine lockdown thing. Tag, whatever it's called. Number one, how many toilet rolls do you have at the moment? One and a bit, well, say 1.5. 1.5 ass wipes. Which reminds me, there's some shit roll. What has been the biggest change for us since lockdown? I'd say changing for us is that there's no, you know what I mean, there's no freedom. You can't do shit. For us lot in the vans, if we move on somewhere, we get growled at and whinged at and moaned at, and what are you doing parts here? For them in houses, it's the same really, innit? You know what I mean? You can't go out, you can't do that out really. It's I don't know, but it's for the best, innit? You know what I mean? I suppose lockdown, none of us want to bleed and die, do we? You know what I mean? But, so yeah, it's just the freedom, really. Where are you currently parked now? Where are you currently parked? / docks. Well, I'm parked in like a really quiet place. It's nice. You know what I mean? It's nice and quiet. Not seen many people in the past 2, 3, I don't know, 3, 4 days I've been here, something like that. Buddy's alright. Buddy's loving it. Yeah, it's a really nice spot. Didn't see many people. I've not seen many people, well, apart from them walkers this morning. That's it, really. Yeah, that's it. What have you gone without recently? Well, I won't say recently, I'll say a bit actually. Since me and my wife split. You know what I mean? What are you most grateful for? What most grateful for? Buddy. So since Jess died, I was just on my own in this van. And one of my subscribers, Paul, top geezer, him and his daughter, top woman, just got in contact with me and said, we've got a little pup here for you. I thought, Jesus Christ, nice one. You know what I mean? So, I just can't thank him enough, them two. The top people. He's sleeping because he's been for that walk. Yeah, sit your foot up, mate. We walked a fair distance this morning. Thank you. Say hello. Say hello, buds. Say hello. Right, go on. Back on in your bed. Yeah, so that's that. What you're most grateful for is the budster. What do you miss the most? Have I just said that? Have I just said that? What do you miss? How long has it been since you have been at a campsite? I don't go to campsites. Yeah, I don't go to campsites. So, never. I don't do. What's your favourite quarantine food? Which might come to a shock to most people, this. It's... Buddy, oi! Pot noodles. Yeah, pot noodles. Love them, I like them, want more of them. I don't know why. It might be a phase I'm going through. Saying that, it is a phase, it's been going on for bleeding a long time. Jesus. Yeah. So pot noodles. And biscuits. And partial to a packet of crisps as well. I'm going to go with pot noodles. Final answer. Right. How are you exercising? Doing workouts? Exercising. Just me and the buds, aren't we, buddy? Just going for walks. Which she loves. And I love. I mean, if I don't do that, I'm stuck in here. I mean, that's no good for my head, my mental health. And workouts is 1 push-up a day. One's enough. Well, more than enough. Anyway, yeah, so walks with buds. Workouts, as you can see, I don't do. Number 10. Final answer. Who are you challenging next? Who are you challenging next? Right. Well, I think in this, because if you wasn't full time, you'd just be locked down in your house, wouldn't you? And this is a van life thing, so I'm guessing, but I might not be. I'm guessing it's got to be full timers. So there's one in my choice that is not full time, but his van is absolutely mint. You know what I mean? So the first one is Jacko, the diesel hart. He's new to Vanlife. He's just gone full time, I think. I've not spoken to him recently. I said I was going to ring him, but I forgot. He's done his van on a budget, like me. And he's just a sound lad. He's a good lad. Yeah, so Jacko. The other one is, now we all know this geezer. We all know this angry fucker. He's Jonah 365. He'll give us a bit of a... I'll probably get bolts off him for this, but there you go. Jonah 365. He'll probably call me a cunt and all sorts. The next one, the third, I've only got 4, so I can only think of 4. The next one is Build It, Fix It, Use It. Adam. His van. No, he's not full time, but his van is absolutely brilliant. It's got oh, you'll see anyway. If he does this, you'll see. He's a nice geezer as well. He's a really nice geezer. The fourth one is that we all know as well. Buddy, what are you doing? Buddy, come here. Come here, buds. If you're not tired, go and play. Alright, I'll jump in back in your bed or whatever. You can't be ready for another walk yet. Christ. Right, anyway. Where was it? Yeah, the last one is that again. We all know them. We all know and love them. It's the Boondockers. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So, I'll put the... I'll have to let these lot know that I've done it as well, won't I? The questions in the description below. And the people I've tagged. I think that's how you do it, I don't know. So yeah. Coolio. I'm just going to chill out now. So, my camera's knackered because this is my camera now and the picture's shit. Because when I play it back, it just doesn't look right. I don't think the sound's right either. But I'm going to try, I might find out where I'm going to shove these branches. And that's it then, I think. I can't put too much fucking weight in here. Yeah, so I might film me wrestling with these branches, struggling with these. If I don't, you'll probably see on Instagram the pictures. So, peace. See you later.